Now lean back. Take your foot, and then pretend you're 6, and you're gonna do a flip. It's totally fun. Do it again. Let's do the other foot. Just keep it interesting. Everybody's like, what are you doing to me? There you go. Now, kick my hand with that foot. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, so the other side. Kick me. Let's do, I have an idea. Okay, let's do a bird's nest from here.
All right.
You want to?
Yep.
Okay, so you're gonna lean back. Both legs up. Here, I'll tell you what, come on up. Put it on the small of your back. This thing right here. All right.
Am I gonna lay on it?
You have to lay on it.